Okay, let's check out these puffballs. Oh yeah. Well, that came out of the tree. I thought that was a fungus. Now, that's crazy looking. So that came out of the tree. Well, let's look up. You see any more? I don't see any more over here, do you? Well, maybe they were from last year. They do look kind of old. So I'm going to say mess with this thing at your own risk. I'm kind of actually itchy on my arms right now, so let's try to see if we can cut this thing in half. It feels like there's a little knot right in here. Oh, there we go. Can we see that under the camera? Let's do a light magnification. There we go. Okay, so it's kind of there's a hollow chamber in the middle. I thought it was a seed at first. Here's the other piece. It kind of popped away. Yeah, it's just, there's a hollow chamber. So, could this have been the birthplace of an insect? I do not know the answer to this. I need some help with this one, I think. Tell me what you think about this. What is this puffball, and then what is this little chamber in the middle for? And my fingers are dry, aren't they? There we go. Okay.